Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Friday is the favorite day of the week because it's Friday freebie. I am gifting you a selection of freebie. It's free printable for you guys to download and print and create any project, any junk journal for card making, gift tags, anything that you guys want. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. On this week, I want to say Wednesday, it's either Wednesday or Monday, we made a video on how to make some hidden paper clips. And you know, I love to make hidden paper clips, and it's one of my most favorite requested videos as well. You guys love making them too. On this video, I'll show you how to create them, and we have used some papers from the Roman Empire digital papers. So in case you have missed this video, I will link the hidden paper clips video down below. But before I show you the freebie, let me show you the papers that kind of like being taken design for. Love this. Love them. They actually plate. If you come to Italy, especially in the south of Italy, you find lots of plates, China's plates. It looks like that. This is just all coins. Right, let me show you the kit first. Right, this paper kit is called the Roman Empire. I'm just gonna go really quickly. You've got a couple of pages with gift, pillow box, some embellishment which we're gonna use today, some tags which I have used. Again, a background. So this is Italy, this is my region, and I'm from the very bottom south. So this is purely the south of Italy, which is called the land of the two seas, because you get the Ionian and Mediterranean Sea to Adriatic Sea together. You've got an old ephemeris original of Rome. You got the Colosseum and all the monuments. You get another page full of Roman embellishments. There's a Medusa there. I don't know the name. I guess this is Zeus, but we're going to use some today. You got a page with some envelopes. So you got a scallop envelope and a normal like square envelopes. This is that the same as, yeah, because sometimes I printed twice. Then you get and this is one of my favorite, so you've got this really nice teal color with some tape measure, and of course the map of Europe, but mostly from Italy. The best bit, at least the south, because I chopped the north. Yeah, the south is nicer. Hello to all the northern Italian people that are watching this video. I love you all to the moon and back. No, honestly, the southern Italian people are nicer. The weather is nice, the food is nice, the people is nice. So yeah, come to the south, don't go to the north. Another page with some Roman statues, some ephemera on the back, and of course I have to put some flowers. I'm surprised there's no butterflies, to be fair. Yeah, a page with no butterflies. In fact, I don't think there's butterflies on this kit, but never mind. You got Cupid, the Colosseum, the Man of Virgilius, I think it's called, the Pisa Tower, me. I wish I looked like that. And again, some maps, more tags, a collage. So you got the gladiator scene, the senators, some of the Roman postcards, the Vespa, typical Italian, our old money before the euros, and of course the map. And then last but not least is a Colosseum, but with the pop color. So it's pink with these gold flowers on the back. Okay, so this is the freebie. Okay, so it's a free printable. You see the Colosseum on the back, don't know if you can see a cherubs there, one of the Roman statue there, another statue there. There is a big flower there. Some of these very popular ornaments that you see in the very old Italian buildings, and then it wouldn't be me without some flowers. And because I wanted to keep this paper quite browny, quite earthy color, I'd added these flowers that I think they're all really nice, go well together. So this page gets sent out as the rest of the freebies every Friday at 9 p.m. British time on my newsletter. So I suggest you guys sign up today, and I will put the link in the info box now, so all the links are available just down there. So once you register, you don't have to do anything because I do the work and I don't have time, net the kindness, to spam anybody, because I don't think spamming is nice and it's not very kind. So I sent one email Friday 9 p.m. and you got the freebies attached. There are some crafting news, there is a recap of my weekly videos. Sometimes I just put them some offers. I think it's very worth it to have, and I got lots of positive feedback about the Friday newsletter, in particular from the lovely Anna, and I will put Anna's comment on the screen now. Anna said that she loves the Friday newsletter emails, and I do love them too, to be fair. So yeah, so once you sign up, you don't have to do anything, because you get the email every night, every Friday night, once a week. I suggest sometime, depends on your private setting on your email, this email gets sent to your spam or junk email box. So just sometime check the junk email box in case it ends up there. But in just a second, I will show you how to find it on my Facebook groups, this freebie, because by the time you watch, this freebie will be sent out already. So if you want this freebie and all the previous freebies, I put them all together into one big category on my Facebook group, and I'll show you in just a second. So once you sign or you register on my Facebook group, you go there, and I'll show you in just a sec. You see all the library. I think it's about 200 free printables for you guys to download. There are some cards templates, there are some how-to tutorial on a PDF. There's quite a lot of material for you guys to download for absolutely free, and you don't have to pay for anything. So join the Facebook group, and I'll show you in just a second how. Before we go, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for your continuous love and support. You guys are all awesome community. Honestly, guys, it means the world to me. Thank you. Okay, guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group. So feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the three dots and you click on download, and you will automatically download the freebies. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really huge, big, whole thumbs up. It really helps with my channel here on YouTube. I don't know why I'm so close to the window. Let me just move. Guys, I will put a couple of links if you carry on watching for some more ideas and inspiration. One, when we made some wraps, paper tags, pocket thing, I will put the link here. And then the second video is here on the screen where we make some more embellishment. So keep watching, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for watching once again, and until next week, stay safe and well. Bye.